How did I cut my hair from this to this? Here's what we need: a brush, a comb, 4 pieces of ponytails, and a blow dryer. And we're all set. You can cut your hair dry, but I preferred to cut it wet to be a little bit more precise. Then divide your preferred side of your hair. And then option 1, tie your hair in a low ponytail. Then take another elastic and tie it a few inches from the first one. Then, using your fingers as a guide, cut a straight line as possible as you can. Then, release it and check if you need to adjust the length. Option 2, and since my hair is thick, divide your hair at the back and put it to the front. And tie it again in a low ponytail for both sides. And take another elastic and tie it a few inches from the first ponytail that you made. Now, using your fingers again as a guide, try to cut a straight line as possibly as you can. Then release it and check if you need to adjust the length again. When you think that the length is okay, blow dry your hair and style it. Now we pose and check our hair for touch-up. And all I need now is a hot oil or hair spa to make it look more shiny and soft. Thanks people for watching. Have a good day.
Got me up all night, putting things on the side. What do you have in mind? She's awake all the time. What are you trying to find? I hope this ain't a lie.